to 8 something.
We started our 5th day in France at a bakery near our hotel in Amboise. Then we headed to the Chenonceau early. We were the first ones through the gate, but people rushed past us as we marched to the chateau. Originally, the home stood over the river with an almost square floor plan. Prince Henry II gave the home to his mistress as a gift. Henry's mistress commissioned a bridge over the river for new gardens on the opposite side of the river. 12 years later, then King Henry II died, and his queen claimed the home for herself. She built 2 galleries on the mistress's bridge. In World War I, those galleries served as a military hospital. In World War II, the river below the bridge formed the border between occupied France and unoccupied France. Many were smuggled through this home to freedom across the water. After visiting the Chenonceau, we headed back to Amboise for lunch. We took a walking tour that started at the Romanesque church dating back to the 1100s. We sauntered down the Rue Nationale, the main pedestrian drag. We crossed part of the Loire River to an island in the middle of the river for cheese and wine as the sun set. Before Paris, Amboise was the seat of medieval France's power. Now, it's a laid-back town that seems to exist for tourists only. Join us next time when we visit the Chartres Cathedral before heading into Switzerland for our first night in Lucerne. Don't forget to subscribe.